Are you struggling with kidney problems, searching for a natural remedy to alleviate the discomfort and restore your health? Look no further. In this video, we're unveiling the top 10 natural foods that can help repair and rejuvenate your kidneys, leading you towards a healthier life. Unlocking the key to reversing kidney damage in diabetes is a burning question for many. Fortunately, the answer lies within reach. In this video, I delve deep into this pressing issue, providing insightful solutions that could potentially change lives. But that's not all. I also shed light on the power of herbs, offering a natural approach to kidney repair that you won't want to miss. So, join me on this journey and watch till the end to gain valuable information that could make a real difference. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering toxins from our bloodstream and maintaining overall bodily function. When they're not functioning optimally, it can lead to a cascade of health issues. But fear not, nature has provided us with an arsenal of foods that can aid in kidney repair and detoxification. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, regulating blood pressure, and balancing electrolytes. When they're compromised, it can lead to a range of complications, affecting not only the kidneys themselves but also other vital organs like the heart, liver, and even the brain. Let's delve into the top 10 foods that can aid in kidney repair and detoxification. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may aid in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress within the kidneys, potentially protecting against kidney damage and enhancing kidney function. To include blueberries in your daily routine, try adding them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or simply enjoying them as a delicious snack on their own. 2. Kale. Kale boasts an impressive nutritional profile, being rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like calcium and magnesium. Its nutrient density supports kidney function and detoxification, while compounds like glucosinolates may exert anti-inflammatory effects on the kidneys. Incorporate kale into your diet by tossing it into salads, sautéing it as a side dish, or blending it into green smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious boost. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties contribute to lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels, ultimately supporting kidney health. To incorporate garlic into your meals, use it as a flavorful addition to sauces, soups, stir-fries, or roast it alongside vegetables for a savory twist. 4. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and support overall kidney health. Adding ginger to your diet is easy. Grate it into teas or smoothies, incorporate it into marinades or dressings, or use it to flavor various dishes like stir-fries or curries for a delightful and aromatic touch. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleuropein, which support heart health and may help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Its anti-inflammatory properties further benefit kidney health. Use olive oil as a healthy cooking oil for sautéing vegetables, drizzle it over salads or roasted vegetables, or use it as a dip for bread for a Mediterranean-inspired flavor. 6. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6, making them ideal for supporting kidney health with essential nutrients and antioxidants. They can be incorporated into your diet by adding them to salads, stir-fries, omelets, or roasting them as a colorful side dish. 7. Apples. Apples are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants like quercetin, supporting overall kidney function and detoxification. They can be enjoyed in various ways, such as sliced with nut butter, baked with cinnamon, added to salads, or blended into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious treat. As promised, let's tackle the burning question: how do we go about reversing kidney damage in diabetes? The solution is seaweed. Seaweed contributes to the reversal of kidney damage in diabetes through multiple mechanisms. Firstly, its high iodine content supports proper thyroid function and metabolism, crucial for overall metabolic balance including kidney health. Secondly, seaweed's abundance of antioxidants helps neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the kidneys. Thirdly, its anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate chronic inflammation, a common feature of diabetes-related kidney damage. Finally, the presence of polysaccharides in seaweed may offer protective effects on kidney cells, shielding them from the detrimental effects of diabetes. Together, these qualities make seaweed a valuable addition to the diet for individuals seeking to reverse kidney damage associated with diabetes. Let us now explore specific herbs renowned for their substantial contributions to kidney health, namely dandelion root, nettle leaf, and astragalus. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that protects against kidney injury and may improve kidney function. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, stews, or golden milk for a warm and comforting beverage. 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in phytochemicals like glucosinolates and flavonoids, which support kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Enjoy cabbage by incorporating it into salads, coleslaws, stir-fries, or soups for a crunchy and nutritious addition to your meals. 10. Cranberries. Cranberries contain compounds like proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, supporting urinary health and potentially preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Include cranberries in your diet by enjoying them fresh, dried, or in juice form, or adding them to salads, oatmeal, or baked goods for a tart and tangy flavor. By incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your daily meals, you can not only promote kidney health but also support overall well-being and vitality. Remember, kidney health is intricately linked to the well-being of other vital organs. By nourishing your kidneys with these natural foods, you're not only aiding in their repair and detoxification but also promoting overall health and vitality. And remember, before making any significant changes to your diet, it's always advisable to seek advice from your healthcare provider or a qualified medical professional, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions or are managing diabetes. Consulting with a doctor can ensure that any dietary modifications align with your individual health needs and goals, helping you make informed decisions for your well-being. So why wait? Start incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your diet today and embark on a journey towards better health and vitality. Your kidneys will thank you. Join us in promoting kidney health and vitality. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to spread the word about these invaluable natural remedies. Let's empower others to take control of their health for better kidneys and quality of life.